It was 2 weeks after the day she turned 18, all dressed in white, going to the church that night. She had his box of letters in the passenger seat, 6 pence in her shoe, something borrowed, something blue. Then the church doors opened up while she put her veil down, trying to hide the tears. Oh, she just couldn't believe it. She heard the trumpets from the military band, and the flowers fell out of her hands. Baby, why'd you leave me? Why'd you have to go? I was counting on forever. Now I'll never know. I can't even breathe. It's like I'm looking from a distance, standing in the background. Everybody's saying he's not coming home now. This can't be happening to me. This is just a dream. The preacher man said, let us bow our heads and pray. Lord, please lift his soul and heal this hurt. Then the congregation